Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow passenger, just stopping in with you guys to see if we can understand the market's direction. If you are new just joining, welcome. It's really simple what we do. We find support and resistance and patterns to determine the market's direction. That's it. So subscribe, hit the bell to be notified where we see the markets going before it happens. And engage in the comment section, leave an appropriate thumb. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, guys. Support the channel. We appreciate your support. All right, so BTC is about to close in about 5 seconds. This is a 12-hour candles, and we're going to see the direction in the market here. So, yeah, if that piques your interest, let's just dive into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is December the 13th, 2020, and the current price of BTC is going to be $19,157.59. It's down about 0.06% for the day, okay? All right, so we literally just got this open here on the 12-hour. What I'm seeing on BTC is, so far, just to keep everyone up to speed here, I'm going to put a few lines on the charts here. BTC is still perfectly confined in an uptrend. However, BTC may be ready to backtest some sort of support. Let me just put a horizontal line on a potential level of support that BTC may backtest here probably over the next 12 to 24 hours. And the first line that I would have to put it would be at about $18,700. That would be the first area that the buyers need to protect in order to fulfill their obligation. And for those of you, just to keep you up to speed, the buyer's obligation has not changed. It's still going to be $19,700 just overhead here. So far, it looks like the buyers have just come shy of that level. So the sellers still have an opportunity to push his price down if this level here is compromised at about $18,700. And there's also just one small level down here. I don't want to put like a million lines, guys, but there's one small level about, let's just say 18,500 up to $18,700. This small range here. If the buyers cannot protect this level and it's compromised to the downside, then we may be looking at potentially a $17,600 BTC at some point here. I'd say over the next 72 hours. But we did make a really good call when BTC was at about 18,200. It went up to 19,000, actually exceeded that level. So that was really, really nice. So we're just trying to figure out what's going to play out here now. And just, again, to keep everyone up to speed and show you guys the current trend that started at about November the 30th right here at this most recent top out, not the official top out. It's too early to call it the official top out just yet. But let's just start there and just make sure that we're aware of the trend here. So it topped out, the most recent top out, went down, made a low, up, lower, high, down, lower, low, up, lower, high, down, lower, low, up. And currently the price has made a lower high, okay? So again, it's really important that if BTC is going to backtest some sort of support, it would be nice to see it at about $18,700. That would be really nice to see, and then crank this price on up to and possibly through the $19,700 buyer obligation level, and we just have to wait and see if that's going to play out here in the charts. So the sellers are in a very compromising position right now because the buyers were able to breach above this level here at about 18,700. So if you are betting against BTC, just be mindful that the buyers are definitely in the market. So I guess do not over leverage yourself here because yeah, this could definitely go either way. And I'm actually seeing some strength in the trend here, guys, according to the daily. We're not going to pull it up here right now. So yeah, just be mindful of that. I don't see why it would be a problem for BTC to potentially test or even breach the $19,700 level as long as it stays above the $18,700 level, like $17,800. Okay, I know I said that a few times. So that's pretty much the level right now, guys. The current range for BTC is going to be this little small range here until the buyers or the sellers break out either side. It's going to be $18,000 and about $800 here at this red line, and overhead the buyer's obligation. They just need to go ahead and fulfill that to make sure that the trend is going to stay to the upside, and that's where the price action is right now, guys. So where do I see the price going? Well, this 12-hour candle that just closed it's not necessarily, it is a reversal candle, but I've seen this play out before. when the price actually closes. Like I'm talking about this 12-hour candle right here on the screen there. If you could see that, December the 13th. It could go either way, guys. These are the two levels. I don't really have a direction, honestly. It's rare that we have like an official direction. So when we actually say we have a price target, like it's official, we have a price target, and you know it's likely it's going to breach that level or at least test the level that we are anticipating. But again, guys, right now we don't have a direction. We just have this range here, 18,000, and I keep saying that, 18,800, $19,700. So let's wait and see what happens. Maybe we'll get a back test. Maybe it'll breach. I'm not sure, guys. So let's wait and see what happens. Thanks for joining us here. Be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go there. We go over the traditional markets and the alternative markets, obviously, here. Altcoins, if you guys have any altcoins, feel free to leave those down in the comment section. Maybe we'll get to those. Subscribe, of course. We can see on our end if you're subscribed. And also, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. We'll see you guys tomorrow for another daily BTC price update. And yeah, bye for now. Take care, guys.